In this video, I'm going to show you the secret to creating viral mask transition on CapCut Desktop that will instantly make your edits look like a high-budget movie. Let's jump straight into the timeline. Now let's start with the cutout transition. Import your clip to the timeline. For best result, you need to have a video with less movement or use tripod to record the video. Now zoom your timeline for smooth operation. Duplicate your clip 2 times and put them on top layer. On your keyboard moves 7 frames by pressing left arrow key. Delete the right side for the middle layer, move back 7 frames again, and delete the right side for the background layer. Now we need to mask each layer individually. Let's start with the middle layer, but let's hide the foreground layer so it's easier to do the masking. Now under Mask, click on Add Mask and select the pen tool. Minimize your clip for better masking, just like this. Good. Now unhide the foreground layer and hide the middle layer and apply the same process. But we are masking the rocks this time around. But take your time to make your mask as accurate as possible for the best results. When you are done, unhide the middle layer. Now add your next video and place it right beside the background layer. That's it, your cutout transition is finished. Next, let's create flash transition. First, you have to import 2 video clips. Duplicate the first video clip and place the layer above. Place the playhead right in the middle of the 2 clips. Move the playhead few frames back and delete the right side. Moves few frames again and delete the left side. Should now have a few frames. Clip remain on the top layer. With it selected, go to Remove Background and select Custom Removal and simply draw over the subject to create a mask and click Apply. Now go to Adjust and bring the curve upwards until the subject turns completely white. After that, repeat the same to the second clip. And then this will create the flash effects with 2 short. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video.